We're gonna make a paper airplane following Lyrica Williams instructions. Okay, let's go. We have a sheet of paper. Okay, she said turn the paper clockwise, like should be a long way. Okay, now you have to fold the top right corner to the middle. Okay, and fold the top left corner to the middle, meeting with the right side, like this. Okay, and then say fold the paper in half with two folded parts coming together. Yes. And then fold the left side down halfway to resemble a wing. Okay, yeah, that wing looks like. And then flip the paper over and fold the right side down halfway to resemble a wing. Okay, now we got airplane. Let's try. Woo! Woo!